Alright, Math 64 students, this is Arkady Hunjiev, your math instructor. I want to just show you where to go for your grades, to see your grades, how are you doing in the class, which I figure this is pretty much important. So first things first is you are not going to find your grades on Canvas. Canvas is not holding the grades here. The grades are going to be on the XYZ homework site. That's where you should find your grades for homework, eventually for the discussion boards and the midterm and the final. So let's go with it here. How do you see your grades? How do you look at your grades? Some of you guys got to this but still had questions, and some of you guys had questions of where to even look for your grades. So first question, where do you look for your grades? xyzhomework.com site. How do you look at your grades? Let's go into it right now. So got to log in first. Go for it. I'm preset over here, so let me log in. Alright, so first things first, I am teaching 2 Math64 classes. So about 40 of you guys are in the Math64 Series 03 class, and about 40 of you are in the Math64 C04 class. These are run exactly identical. They have the exact same due dates. The calendar is exactly the same for each of these. Alright, so I'm going to show you just one of them. So let's go for it here. So clicking on this one. To get to your grades, you're just going to go up right over here to Gradebook. Once you get to Gradebook, you are doing great. Let's go for it here. Once you get to Gradebook. Okay, I'm going to pretend I'm a certain student here. Alright, first things first. You do have some options on how you want to take a look at them here. So these little options are right here. So you could take a look at them as past due. So what this is going to happen is it's going to allow you just to only look at the grades that are past due. So chapter 1 has been closed as of now, so you only see chapter 1. So that kind of gives you a pretty good sense of what your grade is right now. Any past due items here. What you could do is you could click on past and attempted. So this kind of gives you a up-to-date version of your grade here. It does have the Math 64 final and midterm on there, but it allows you to sort of see if you've attempted anything so far. So you say you started on chapter 2 already, so this kind of gives you the up-to-the-minute sort of view of things. Alright, if you click on available already, everything's going to be available to you right away. It will not include anything that you are past due. So this is kind of like everything minus past due. This is things that you're working on right now. Alright, this one kind of gives you the whole entire thing. It's everything that's past, anything that's available, anything that's all there. So, and then the all part gives you everything. Okay. So with that, which one do you prefer? Probably, if anything, probably past and attempted would probably give you a good view of things. So if you scroll down here, these are all the stuff that's available to you here. And notice there's no grade for your final exam as of yet. Midterm exam, no. Online homework, that's all we've been doing so far. So this particular student is at a 77.1. And it kind of gives you the breakdown of how many points you have. So the difference between this one and this one, the past due and available, this is for the whole entire course. So this is how much you've completed and your percentage in that completion. This is your percent as going forward. That's what you have here. So I would look at this one here. That's the one that's more important to sort of see. When the end of semester comes, these two are going to be exactly the same, and they'll match each other up because there'll be nothing more available to finish in the course itself. So then you're done at this point. So there it is. Hopefully that gives you at least a brief idea of how to take a look at your grades and see how are you doing in the class.